In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add galleries to your Weebly website. If you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your online space or showcase a collection of images in an organized manner, adding a gallery could be a fantastic solution. Let's dive right in and simplify the process of incorporating these versatile visual elements into your site. First things first, you need to be within the Weebly site editor to get started. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top bar of the editor. You'll notice a tab labeled Build. This is your starting point. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on Build opens up a treasure trove of elements in the left-hand panel. This is where the magic happens because these are all the components you can drag and drop directly onto your website. Among the various elements listed, you'll want to find the one labeled Gallery. This is what you'll be using to showcase your images. Once you spot the gallery element, it's as simple as clicking and dragging it over to the area of your website where you want the gallery to appear. Drop it into place, and voila! You now have a gallery widget integrated into your page. After you've positioned the gallery on your site, the next step is to configure it. Click directly on the newly placed gallery to begin setting it up. You can start uploading your images to it. Select the images that capture what you want to showcase, whether it's a product collection, an event, or even a personal portfolio. Uploading is straightforward, and you can add multiple images for an engaging visual display. Once your images are uploaded, customization is key. You can enhance the functionality of your gallery by clicking on each individual image. This opens up options to add links for more detailed information or navigation to other parts of your site. Don't underestimate the power of captions and alt text either. These not only provide context for your viewers, but can also improve accessibility and SEO for your site. Take advantage of these features to ensure your gallery serves its purpose effectively. Finally, you'll have the option to adjust the overall appearance of your gallery. By clicking on the gallery again, you can fine-tune the number of columns, the amount of space between the images, and other visual preferences. These adjustments can create a dynamic or uniform look, depending on your design goals. And there you have it. With just a few steps and a bit of creative input, you can successfully add a beautiful, functional gallery to your Weebly site, turning your web page into a visually captivating experience. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!